What's going on, guys? It's Marathon Vending back again with another video, guys. And today, guys, I just wanted to talk about when you get into this vending business, it's things you see that you don't see, or things that you were supposed to see but you didn't see. And one of the issues I'm having with this particular location I have is people keep coming and unplugging my machine. But that's just something that you may have to deal with if you don't think the location out, right? So lesson one for me is, now since I know and it does not have an outlet that's hidden, that nobody can just unplug the machine, you know, those are things that you need to look for. And also, if people are unplugging it, that they could damage your cord. Like, anything can happen. And one time I came there and it was a guy just posted up charging his phone, and I was like, hey, I'm sorry, but you can't charge your phone here. This is a place of business, and you technically messing up my business, and it's just a headache. So that is something that you got to be bothered with. So take a lesson from me. Always look at the location thoroughly. If it's not hidden, then your machine cannot be there. It just all depends what type of business it is too. So just think about that too. It depends what type of business it is and what type of people is around that business. For me, it is a lot of homeless people there in that area. I knew by bringing a machine there that I was taking a risk. People do not respect other people's hard work and other people's property. That's just the way it is in this world. But yeah, guys, that is a lesson I learned. How the building is built. Is it outlets? How many outlets? You might have to measure your vending machine to get it through a door. It's so many things you have to think about before you place the machine. So I hope this video helped, and I just hope these people stop unplugging my machine, man. It's becoming a headache to where I'm thinking if I should just find another spot for it, because I just don't have time to be going up there, and then a machine is not, it's not open to the people, because some people may think it's broke because it's not plugged in. So I just hope this stop. I don't know if the owner is gonna build an outlet. He's probably not, and it's just something that I'm either gonna have to deal with or be looking for a new location. And guys, if you in the vending business, you got to remember that this business is based on somebody else's business. So you got to think about that. You may not enjoy that type of business, but I'm just pointing that out to you as well too, that this business is based on somebody else's business. So it's not easy, because majority of vending machines is already at the spots they need to be at. You just have to find a spot that don't have one, and that's the hardest part, is finding a location that does not have a vending machine. You may get lucky. You may have some people who hate their vendor. He may not come check the machine. He may not do this. He may not do that, or she, and they may be fed up and want to try another vendor. But hey guys, that's just that. I hope that the person I saw or the people do not unplug the machine again. But I'ma find out, maybe the next day. The next day I'm gonna find out. But it has been happening to where I will go every other day, and look at the machine, because I gotta be making sure nobody did this, nobody did that. But guys, I just guess I'm gonna be going there every day to see if it's been unplugged. I mean, the establishment is 24 hours, so I can't be there all day every day. I just hope that they find another source. I mean, I don't think they are. But guys, this vid is going on long. It is making me mad. But what you guys think I should do? Like, what is your suggestions? Like, do you have any? Is it a way to have a hidden outlet somewhere? I mean, I'm gonna have to build that. I'm not doing that. The owner, he not gonna build an outlet that's hidden. So what I'm able to do, I mean, I'm running out of options. You know what I mean? Because the way it's built, the outlets are hidden. It's over some other stuff. So it's just like what I'm able to do. That's the only one available. I don't know, man. But guys, if you are a genius and you got a great idea, let me know. If you a handyman and you have an awesome idea, let me know. But I'm out of here, guys. Peace.